All right, guys, we do have the 16th hired request up today. It is Lawrence Gowan of Styx, and he's playing Beethoven here. Obviously, he had some training as a classical pianist, and he's doing this Beethoven Pathetique Sonata at the beginning. I'm sure a lot of you heard it. And of course, he's going to do his own rhythms. He's not going to really follow what Beethoven wrote. So we're going to kind of do it the way Lawrence does it instead of Beethoven. And then up there, and he kind of adds something here. And then we just skip to the so forth. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my, I normally say easy piano lessons. This is not so easy, but a lot of fun to mess with, a lot of fun to play around with. All of the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. This whole introduction thing that Lawrence does for the band Styx. And so, like I said, he pretty much follows, the notes that Beethoven does. He adds some things here and there. And he messes with the rhythms a lot just to kind of, to concertize it a little bit for Styx, I guess. But we're going to do it the way he does it. So if it's not like Beethoven, don't spare me all your comments that it's not like Beethoven. We're doing it like Lawrence does it for fun. And I recommend this to any one of you who are struggling playing a classical piece. The key is to play it like you wrote it. You have to feel like you wrote it, and then that kind of frees you up to really be free with it and have your own ideas and to not be so worried about doing every little single thing that you are told to do sometimes when learning a classical piece of music. At the end of the day, you just have to play it, and like I say, play it like you wrote it. So, and he does. So here we go. Again, this is Beethoven's Pathetique Sonata, the first movement. So he does kind of the opener here, and then he just kind of skips to the fast part. There's a beginning of the sonata that doesn't start fast like they normally do. It's a grave introduction, and he kind of abbreviates that a little bit and just moves on into the faster part. So if you can find that video on YouTube or somewhere, Lawrence Gowan, Beethoven Pathetique. So it's kind of fun to listen to. We're in C minor, E flat G C on the right, as you can see at the top there. These are not beginner lessons. If you are a beginner, you are going to have lots of trouble trying to do this. So I recommend don't. Try something that's on your level. I do have 79 beginner lessons on webpianoteacher.com for you complete beginners who need to start from ground zero. Okay, so here we go for you moderate to advanced players. E flat G C on the right, left hand C, E flat G C. And he plays this, he doesn't hold it quite long enough. He go ahead and gets to this part, kind of speeds that up a little bit. E flat D, C, F sharp, G in the left, da dum da da dum. Right hand G C, G B D, G C E flat, and then A C E flat, and then B D. So it's bum. The real thing goes 1, 2, 3, bum, bum. He kind of speeds it up. It's hard for me to do it that way after years of doing it the other way. And then here's the second phrase. A flat on the left, ta-ta. B, D, F on the right. Makes a fully diminished chord. Beethoven loved those. Here was another fully diminished chord. Here's the sound. You play it again. Then we resolve to B, D, G on the right, G on the left, ta-ta. And then we have B, D, A flat on the right, left hand on F. We keep the B, D, A flat on the right, we go to E flat on the left. Some dissonance there. It's supposed to be like that. C, E flat, G. So that second phrase is da-dum, then he goes fast, da-dum, da-dum. No. Yeah. Okay, let's do both phrases back to back. Here we go. Second phrase. Okay? And then Lawrence says the next phrase. So he goes E flat, E flat, E flat, D, C, C, right hand F sharp A C. You play it again. Then you play F sharp A D and F sharp A E flat. Notice the F sharp and the A stays the whole time. And then we go to D G D. And then we do the F sharp A C thing again to finish that line. The left hand going E flat D C. Whenever you're playing, you have chords, a lot of chords in a row. It always helps to look for the notes that stay the same because that'll happen a lot of times. See the B and the D there? Notice that, and that the top is changing. That'll help you to do it. Notice the notes that stay the same. F sharp A. Sometimes that's an easy thing to overlook when we're really locked in trying to learn this kind of music. Okay, so hands together for the whole first line is one, ba bum ba ba dum. Second phrase. Dum, da, 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 da. When we get here, I'm going to stop this part one, but those of you who will try to look at this a little bit and go a little further, let me enlighten you here. Instead of Beethoven just does this, but he does this. He makes it a little bigger. Lawrence plays an A flat octave, then he'll extend this, and then go to the D. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do that, how to extend it the way Lawrence does it in video 2. But there's your free part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed that. A lot of fun to do these. You know, just a guy having fun in a concert playing a little classical music and the crowd's just going nuts over it. So, you know, a little Beethoven there for you. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you on webpianoteacher.com.